Fellas, here is section 2 from chapter 16, the matrix section. Okay, so today we're going to quickly go through how to add and subtract matrices and also multiply them just by a constant, a coefficient. It's called scalar multiplication. All right, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to use these two matrices, A and B. Both of them, if you notice, are 2 by 3. Okay, 2 rows by 3 columns. All right, so anytime you got to add or subtract matrices, just like whenever you want to set them equal to each other, they have to be the same dimensions. Same dimensions, real important. Okay, got to be the same dimensions, 2 by 3. All right, so to start here, we have to find A plus B for number 1. Okay, so that means you just got to add them together. If you have a 2 by 3 matrix, adding to a 2 by 3 matrix, you're going to end with a 2 by 3 matrix. Okay, so the way that you do this is you just add the corresponding parts. So top left and top left, 1 plus 3 is 4. Okay, bottom left times bottom left, 4 plus 0, 4. And so on and so forth. So when you continue adding, we've got 4, negative 7, negative 7, negative 3. All right, so that would be the answer for A plus B. If you got to do A minus B, all right, A minus B, you just subtract the second from the first. Still with the corresponding parts, still got to be same dimensions. Okay, so you're going to end up, once again, with a 2 by 3 matrix. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. 4 minus 0 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. 0 minus negative 7 is positive 7. Negative 2 minus negative 5 gives us positive 3. And negative 5 minus 2 is negative 7. That would be our matrix. Now, next thing we need to do, using these same matrices, you got to find negative 2b. Okay, so now, rather than adding and subtracting, all we're going to do is we're going to scale this b matrix. Okay, so if you're going to multiply negative 2 times all that thing, all you do is distribute it. It's the same as distributive property. You just multiply each of the elements by negative 2. So we have a negative 6, 0, negative 2, 14, 10, negative 4. Okay, really, really easy stuff. Basically, the majority of this, of the work from this section is going to be combining these together. So an example problem would be like find 4a minus 3b, right? Then you're just going to combine them. Pretty simple stuff, though. All right, to end this lesson, we're going to solve a little equation using matrices. So if you're solving an equation using matrices, it's once again the exact same process as solving a regular equation. Okay, the only thing is your constants and your variable are going to be actual matrices instead of just one number. So it's going to be a set of numbers instead of just one number. Same idea, though. So we want to isolate this x, even from the 3. Okay, got to get x by itself. How do we do that? Well, you got to start by distributing over here. Before you mess with this matrix, right here, you have to distribute this 2 all throughout that matrix. Cool laser pointer. Okay, so we'll start with that. So 3x doesn't change, plus that matrix, that 2 by 2 matrix doesn't change. But when we distribute this 2 all around, we're going to get negative 2, 0, negative 8, 12. All right, now, if this was just a constant, you guys know that you do 3x plus, say, for example, 2. What would you do? You'd subtract the 2 to the other side to get rid of it. Same thing with matrices. You can subtract the matrix. So we're going to subtract from both sides, negative 2, 3, 1, 0. And same on this side. Minus negative 2, 3, 1, 0. If you add this matrix and subtract that matrix, obviously, they're going to cancel each other out. Okay, so we're left with 3x here. But on this side, we've got to actually subtract our two matrices. So negative 2 minus negative 2 is 0. Negative 2 minus 3, 0 minus 3 is negative 3. Negative 8 minus 1 is negative 9. And 12 minus 0 is 12. Okay, so we've got 3 times the matrix x equals that matrix on the right. Now to finish this up, divide both by 3. Okay, if you're going to divide a matrix by 3, it's the same as multiplying by 1/3, right? So you're just going to distribute that dividing by 3 all around. And when you're going to end up with, well, I guess I could just move it down. Okay, what you'll end up with is x equals 0 divided by 3 is 0, negative 3 divided by 3 is negative 1, negative 3 and 4. And you're finished. Good luck on the work.